Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will be showing you how to start using Calendly for beginners in 2023. So guys, without any further talking, please make sure to watch this video from now till the end so you don't miss anything. And of course, if you had any problem or questions or errors during your process of creating or using your Calendly, make sure to leave them down below in the comment section. And without any further talking, let's get started. So the first thing guys that we are going to do is go to Calendly. So here we go. And from here guys, what I'm going to do is simply join this website. So let me just make it in English. And here we go. So here it is. This is the website, so calendly.com. And now what you'll have to do is sign up with free Microsoft account or your Gmail account. So I'm going to do it with my Gmail account and I will sign into my account. So here we go, authorize, and let's go to the next step. Now, after we created our account, I will show you how to start using the website itself. So now first thing we need to do is to create your Calendly URL. So I will keep it that way. And the time zone home I will change it to like I will see Africa. Let's see if there is Africa or something like that. Alright, let's do this and continue. Now let's click on the continue button and then wait for the process to take us to the next step. So now we are on the next step, which is here is how Calendly will work with which is your email. Here we'll check for conflict, and here we'll add event to your email. So we can do this to continue. Here you have to let Calendly know when you're typically available to accept meetings. So here we'll choose when you will be available, which days and which hours. So from, for example, 9 a.m. to like 5 or 4 p.m. Here I'm going to click on continue. And here we go. Now, what is your day-to-day route at work? So, customer success plus account management, interviewing, scheduling, sales plus marketing, freelance plus consulting, leader plus entrepreneur, education or other. For me, I'm going to choose education and then click on finish. Now, here we go. We are now on our account. So here it is, for example, 30-minute meeting. So here I can view booking page. I can see here all the details about this meeting. So here it goes. This is when it's gonna be. So it's gonna be around like from Monday to Friday. It's gonna be for only 30 minutes. Here, if you wanted to share it with someone else, you can share it from here. If you wanted to create a new event type, you can click here, and of course here they will take you to here. So here with a group of persons, collective with one, or like one-to-one or round robin, so you can choose what kind of meeting you will have. So for example, let's choose one-to-one interview. Here let's make it, for example, job interview. Here location, phone call, Zoom, custom. Let's try, for example, Microsoft Teams. Microsoft is not connected. Okay, try something else. For example, Google Meet. All right. Here I'm going to do job interview for Apple, for example. And here calendar. Okay, let's keep it that way and click on next. Now guys, all you need to do is the date range, so invite to schedule. So let's just, for example, here it's gonna be count every day of the calendar, exclude weekends, etc. Okay, let's make exclude weekends. Here within a date range you can choose between, for example, a day and a day, and this in like a specific into the future, so it's not really determined. So let's try, for example, this one. So it's gonna be between, for example, 1 March and let's pick, for example, too much. So here we go. Now I'm going here to the duration. Here, as you can see, it's gonna be, for example, like a custom. So let's make it, for example, 120 minutes, or let's choose hours exactly to be 2 hours. Here, how do you want to offer your availability for this event type? Use an existing schedule, set custom hours. So you can choose whatever you'd like. So I'm going to keep it. So when are you going to be free? So these are the hours that I'm going to be free on. And finally here, I want to add time before, for or after your events. Here, for example, before or after, and here click on next. So here we go. Now we have finally created it. As you can see, now what you have to do is click on share, and it will be shared with people that you know. Copy here the link and share it with your friend or with the person that you will have the meeting with. So now if I click on view live page, that's how it's gonna be looking like. um Now, because I picked like 1 into March and we have are already in 12, that's why it is showing me no times in March. But overall, if you chose like the correct date, it will be showing in here, and even for the other person will be able to see it, and he will know when do you have, or when you are guys having this meeting. Now if I click here to this settings, here you can the invite language, you can change it to multiple language from English, French, Spanish, German, Dutch, Portuguese, and Brazil, and Italian and Ukrainian. Now after that you can check here share your booking page. So now we have done with everything. So let me just go to the home page, so I can go back by clicking in here. And as you can see, this is the job interview that I have created. Now if I went here scheduled event, here you will see all the events that you have both in this website and with your email that you have interrogated with this website. So for example, me, I have signed up with Google account, so all the schedules that I have, or the meetings, or every event that I have in my Google account will be added automatically here. Here you'll see the upcoming, the pending, the past ones, and date range. Here you can choose and filter when do you want to see the calendar. Here the workflows. Here you can save time with workflows, so automate all the work you do around events, such as text messages, when events are booked, email reminders before events. So this what helps you with is, for example, tomorrow you will have an event at like 4 p.m. So today at 4 p.m. they will send you, for example, a text message or an email to remind you that you have tomorrow something and you must be ready for it. So that's how you can use it. You can create your own workflow. So here it is. You can use one of these. There is email reminder to invite, email reminder to host, send thank you emails, text reminder to host, text booking confirmation to host, and email your own feedback survey. So let's try, for example, this one. Use workflow. And here all you need to do is text reminder to host, workflow name. Here which event type will this apply to. Here you just choose, for example, this that you have created. Here when this happens you can choose when are they going to remind you. So 1 day before, 1 hour before. You can choose custom thing from here and do whatever you like. Here if I went back, here you will have to, for example, send text to host, and you must add an action, for example, another action. For example, there is send email to invite, send to email to host, etc. So after that you can click here to edit, here put in the number, get the verification, click on done, and everything will be set up for you. So yeah guys, that is pretty much it. That's how you can use Calendly in 2023. I hope that like I showed you everything about it and you now understand everything 100%. So yeah guys, that's what today's video. If you enjoyed, please leave a like and thank you for watching.